Oh, this nigga G think he gonna move and not tell me where he lives? Oh, he got me fucked up. Cause see, I'ma find out where he is. I know he on one of these streets. I'm gonna find out, cause that's my man.
Right, he probably out here with his little homeboy. You know what I'm talking about?
I know he over here somewhere. It don't matter where he at.
Now, if you know anything about slapboxing, if one of these accidentally connect, it doesn't matter if it's your homie, your mama, your daddy, somebody gonna be pissed off and a real fight's gonna break out.
Let me see what you into him for anyway.
What you mean he fine in a motherfucker? What you talking about?
He ain't that fine.
He been fine, gonna always be fine, and that's why he my man, okay? Who that? Oh, that ain't him. He ugly. I know a dime when I see one. Hold on. Cause I know he on the street. He gotta be. Hold on. Come on. Who that like that right there?
Keisha, girl.
Here we go.
There they go.
Come on, this motherfucker. Hey. What? Keisha here, man. Ratchet Keisha, don't let her know I'm here.
How the hell did this woman find me? Where I live?
There we go. Oh,
That nigga been trying to hide.
where he at? Where G at? Why y'all looking like y'all don't know what I'm talking about? Where G?
Where G at?
Hey.
Yeah, where he at?
G shit. She talking about G. It's a Jerry. It's a Jerry. It's
Don't play with me.
It's a Jennifer. It's a Jim. It's a Jim. You know. Which one you talking about?
So y'all don't know what I'm talking about. So y'all just chilled on random niggas' porches and slapbox?
Hell yeah, we do. That's all we be bored.
Hell yeah. I can always depend on my boys.
We ain't got no life. I do this 24/7. I has no life.
So y'all want to slap?
What?
Y'all want to slap?
Yeah, let's slapbox then. Let's slapbox then. Let's go.
I don't slap women.
Then what G at?
Man, I think so. Get out the way. Bro, watch that.
Oh, I got him. Don't worry. I especially got him.
G, open the
See,
door.
you gotta love these hood doors.
I already know you in here.
You can't
just
see in them.
Open the door. Don't
Only
make
time
me
you can
have
see
to come
is at
through the
nighttime.
back and
The
get
lights have to
you.
be on in the house.
God, really? Move your ass on. Damn.
Oh, so you don't like me?
Hey, you looking at LL Cool J? Well, I knock your ass out, bruh.
G, I'm not playing with you. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4.
Hey, this you? No, this is not me.
This is you.
Girl,
I gotta punch you in your face.
Hey, I don't know who you stepping to. I don't know who you stepping to. Hey, Kewon, go get the soccer box. I'm about to whoop her ass.
3, 2.
Now, if I don't come out, she's definitely coming in.
Hey, G in there. Hey, G, come out, bro. That nigga in there, bro. That nigga is in there. Hey.
You don't write about like that.
What? Did my boy just snitch on me?
Man, what?
G.
I knew your ass was in here. Come outside.
Man, what do you want?
You know what I want.
How did you even find out where I live?
That's irrelevant.
Look, if I come outside, will you go away?
Yes, I just want to talk to you.
Put that on something.
I put that on your mama.
Hell no, you hate my mama.
What? I love your mama. What is with the back and forth? I can't even see you. Come outside.
What's up?
Don't make me punch you.
All right, back up. Let me some room.
For some reason, none of the girls that I like me. It was always the hood chicks or the big girls.
Hey, finally. All that just to get you to
Look
come
at
outside?
me, looking like a straight biatch.
What do you want?
I want to talk to you. You know you my man. Why you got me looking for you? You didn't even give me your new address. You gonna move and not tell me?
I am not your man. How many times I gotta say that? I got a girl.
A girl, what's her name?
Damn.
Exactly. You barely can remember her name.
Why would I give you her name so you can track her down like you tracked me down? I ain't crazy.
So how long you didn't have that problem?
Look, it ain't a problem that needs to be fixed.
It is a problem that needs to be fixed. And I could take care of that by midnight.
Hey, yo, G, you ain't gonna introduce me to your fine ass friend?
Why the hell did you bring your ghetto ass cousin? Tim, Negro, Tim.
It's Kinigra, nigga.
Same shit. Kinigra, same in Spanish.
Sound the same. What's up with you?
Damn. Yeah, that's her cousin, all right.
Get your friend, man.
That is my cousin.
Yeah,
Anywho, since we got everything squared away, I'm gonna be picking you up from school on Monday at 3:15.
I don't need a ride.
I'm picking you up Monday 3:15. Be on time standing outside.
And you need to be with him too.
And don't ever lie to me again.
Cause we all go together now.
What the hell is
Bye,
going on?
Tim.
Hey, we don't go together.
Hell to the no.
3:15.
Nigga, how did I get in this?
Y'all got girlfriends now.
Man, shut up, man.
Oh, man.
We don't go together.
Hell to the no.
Hey, not too loud, not too loud. Come back.
Oh, hell no.
Niggas in here. Fight me on me. Fight.
Hey, this nigga doing tie ball over here. Hey, he doing tie ball.
Negro. Oh, wait, you're not the Negro. Tim. Negro. Fuck.
Come on, let's get it. The Negro.
Okay. Tim. This is Kinigra. I don't say Kinigra.
3, 2, 1.
Negra, Tim, Negro,
Negra, Tim.
Y'all, this is Tim. This is Negro. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Go, it's still rolling.
Tim. This is Negro, Negra, Tim. She ain't gonna say her name again, huh? Kinigra, same shit in Spanish. I did it again.
Yeah, you know, motherfucker.
All right, action.
Come on, this motherfucker.